Welcome to today's lesson. We are going to learn about an important English word together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today, we will learn about the word actress. This is a simple word that you will hear often in English. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what it means and how to use it. Let's look at the word itself. The word is actress. It is spelled A-C-T-R-E-S-S. This is a noun, which means it is a word for a person. So, what does actress mean? An actress is a woman who acts in plays, movies, or TV shows. She performs for an audience. She pretends to be someone else to tell a story. To understand actress, we need to know what acting is. Acting means playing a role or character. It means pretending to be someone else. Actors and actresses do this as their job. Who is an actress? An actress is a female actor. She is a woman who performs in entertainment. She might work in films, on television, or on stage in a theater. Now, let's talk about the difference between actor and actress. Actor can mean any person who acts, male or female. Actress means only a female actor. So, actress is more specific. There are many famous actresses around the world. You may have seen them in movies or on TV. They are talented women who bring characters to life. Some are very well known and loved by many people. Where do actresses work? Actresses work in many places. They act in movies at the cinema. They appear in TV shows on television. They perform in theater plays on stage. They also act in commercials and advertisements. What do actresses do every day? Actresses learn their lines, which are the words they must say. They play different characters and become those people. They perform in front of cameras or live audiences. It is hard work that requires practice and skill. Let's look at actresses in movies. When you watch a film, you see actresses playing different roles. They might be heroes, villains, or everyday people. Movies are one of the most popular places to see actresses perform. Actresses also work on TV. You see them in TV shows, dramas, comedies, and news programs. Television is another important place where actresses share their talent with the world. Theater is where acting began long ago. Actresses perform live on stage in front of an audience. There is no second chance, so they must be very skilled. Theater acting is special and exciting. Why are actresses important? Actresses tell stories that make us laugh, cry, and think. They make us feel emotions. They help us learn about different people and cultures. They entertain and inspire us. Let's say it simply. Actress equals woman who acts. That is the easiest way to remember it. A woman who acts is called an actress. Remember the difference. Actor can be used for a man or a woman. Actress is used only for a woman. This is an important detail to remember when speaking English. In the past, people mostly used the word actor for everyone. Over time, the word actress became common to describe female actors. Today, both words are used, but actress specifically means a woman. When we talk about an actress, we use the pronouns she and her. For example, she is an actress or her performance was amazing. These pronouns match the female gender. Here is an example sentence. She is a famous actress. This sentence tells us that a woman is well known for her acting. It is a simple and clear sentence. Here is another example. The actress plays many roles. This means the woman acts as different characters in different stories. She is versatile and talented. One more example. Actresses work hard to learn their parts. This sentence shows that actresses study and practice a lot. They prepare carefully for their performances. What is a role? A role is a character in a story. When an actress plays a role, she becomes that character. She acts like that person and says their words. Actresses can win awards for their work. If they act very well, they might receive prizes like trophies or medals. These awards celebrate their talent and hard work. Be careful with common mistakes. Do not call a man an actress. Use actor for men. Use actress for women. This will help you speak correctly and avoid confusion. Here is a fun fact. Many actresses also sing and dance. They have many talents. Some actresses perform in musicals where they act, sing, and dance all at the same time. How can you remember the word actress? Think of this. Actress starts with the letter A, just like the word actor. And it is for a female actor. This little trick can help you remember. Let's do a quick review. Actress means a female actor. Actresses act in movies, TV shows, and theatre. We use the pronouns she and her when talking about actresses. Now you know the basics. Can you say the word? Try saying actress out loud. Practice saying it a few times. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. To summarize, an actress is a woman who acts. She performs in entertainment to tell stories and make people feel emotions. This is a simple but important word in English. Thank you for learning with me today. You did a great job. Keep practicing this word and use it when you can. The more you use it, the better you will remember it. In our next lesson, we will learn about the word actor. We will explore more about acting and performers. I hope you will join me again. See you next time.